When it comes to an effective plank or any exercise involving your core and your shoulders, it's very important that you pack your shoulders. So to understand and appreciate that more, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to come up onto your hands and knees. From here, you're going to then squeeze your shoulder blades together and then push them apart, spread them apart. So basically going up and down like so. And you're going to do that for 15 repetitions. After that, we're going to elevate the shoulders towards the ears and then depress them towards the hips. So just going like this. And if we imagine it like a plus sign, now you're going to go back, down, forwards, and then back towards the hips. So just that kind of plus motion. And just play around with it, see how your shoulders feel. Now, in terms of packing the shoulder, it would be depressing them down like this and squeezing back. So if we can apply that to when we do the plank, that's the position. So you can also play around with, for you, if protracting your shoulders, so moving them like this, spreading the shoulder blades wide, when you do a plank, is that more effective? Then when we do a side plank, we're thinking about the shoulder will do this, and you want to pull it down and lock it in. So that's called packing the shoulder. So when we do the side plank, if you pulled in here, you're going to find that you have more stability. So practice 10 lots of going up and down, then 10 lots of forward and back like that, and then try and do 10 plus signs, bringing it all together like this, and then try the plank for 30 seconds, protracting the shoulders and spreading the shoulder blades apart, and then packing the shoulder like this for 30 seconds each side. You could also, if you need to, do it from your knees to make it that little bit easier. And there you have it, that's day 12.